my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick life. For now, I will link a card up here, an iCard up here, so you can check out that video on our name change and how you can help with that. So I hope you'll check it out. Right now, we have a fashion box. I'm so excited about this. All right, let's open this up real quick. This is my box for January. Whoops. This one actually came a little faster than they have been coming. It's a clothing service box where you can request a box and they will send you a selection of a few pieces to choose from. You can pick about 5 of those pieces and they will ship those items to you for free. You can try them on at home, keep what you like, send back what you don't. If you keep all 3 items, you get a 25% discount off the items in your box. You can set your price points and I am loving these boxes. So you'll receive an envelope that says, "Hello, beautiful." And in the envelope will be your invoice. And oh, look, they've changed this up a bit. Now it's a little card. #BetterAsIam. I like that. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. That's right. The instructions are on the back of the card. You just follow them right there. Lets you know everything you need to know. And here's your, oops, your return label, your return envelope. This one is actually a nice sized one, like this. And you place everything in this bag that you choose not to keep, and you send it back to them. You can also put your exchanges in here. They do exchanges, you just need to email them, and they will help you out with that. Here's my bundle. Let's see. Oh, I see some pretty things in here. Now, yes, I do know, I did get to select the items they send to me. But, they're often little pictures. You can't always tell in the picture. So sometimes, a lot of times things come in and I'm just so excited because I'm surprised. Here we go. Needed some coffee today. All right. Yeah, see, like this one, I couldn't really see the detail in the picture. This is a nice cotton top with some embroidery on it. That's really cute. This is Skies Are Blue V-neck embroidery top in medium and a gray. It's $38. This is a Fashom exclusive. Skies Are Blue. I think this is so cute. Now I know you're probably going, well, that's very summery. It's winter. I'm in Texas. And I told them, just ask them to send me things that are more transition into spring and travel friendly for me. And also to send me some, still some January things. So they did exactly what I asked them to do. And I'm so happy. This is so, so cute. I also asked them to send me things I can easily wear under a cardigan, and this is one of them. So that's so cute. Okay, there's that one. Then there is this one. Now I went ahead to and allowed them to send me some plaid. I am not a plaid girl, but I thought I would try it. I've been trying them, trying to find one that's suitable for me. I don't know if this one's it, but this is cute. This is the Paper Moon plaid print button-down top in a large at $32. I do like them oversized. I do not want them to fit. This is like really stretchy. So there you go. There's that one. So cute. Oh, look. Okay, I like the sleeves on this. The ends are not so large. I like that actually. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. When I saw this, I was like, yes. This is it's a striped top. It's a striped top, Fate striped shirt with black detail, large and cream and black at $38. So cute, like the V-neck in the front, like the stripy little V-neck in the back. I'm not real keen on showing my back, but that sort of covers it up. Long sleeve stripe, but it's a narrow stripe and it's new, a new type of stripe. I don't really have anything like this. I think it's really cute. Nice little t-shirt type top I can just wear. All right, and I do, remember this is a little outside of my comfort zone, but I wanted to go ahead and try it thinking it's very cute for under a cardigan. This is the Paper Moon print top, large in black. It's $24, and it is, a strappy tank, which out of my comfort zone. I love the pattern on this, super love the pattern. And also this type of tank, with the racer back doesn't always look really good on me, but under a cardigan, it won't really matter. This zips all the way down in the back. That's so different. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that underneath a cardigan, but we'll see. We'll see. So pretty. Love that blue. And lastly, I asked for another pair of full-length denim because they've been sending me some great denim, and I just wanted a little bit different of a wash. I have like a bright blue wash, a traditional, it's more of a deeper denim wash, and then here is just an actual plain old denim wash. It may be a little wide at the ankles. We'll have to see. I don't want a skinny jean, but I need a narrow ankle because my ankles are extremely narrow, and this, if it's too wide, they look funny on me. These are Stonewash Basic Skinny Jeans in an 8 DK Elise, $45. Oh, it's, I don't know, that must be the style. These are D jeans, high waist skinny modern fit. I like the D jeans. I've said that before. So there you go. All right. They're so stretchy. So there you go. And then this will be all the jeans I need until I transition into a lower size. And I don't mind, you know, $45 isn't bad, and I can see myself keeping 3 items in here, so the discount makes them really affordable, and you know. So the total of the box is $177, 25% discount of $44.25. My total is $132.75. Fantastic. I like that price point. So you've already seen me try everything on. Now I'm going to actually go see me and show you try everything on, and we'll be right back for the recap. Okay, so maybe a slightly different angle there. I realize this sweater does not match this top. I would need like a, I don't know, green one, black one, navy one. I don't know. But it suited it for now because the only black cardigan I have, oh no, I do have another black cardigan. I forgot about that, and I am keeping this top. I like it. Okay, it fits. You know, it's not gaping. Like when you lean over, it doesn't like flash everybody. I like that. So I like the zipper down the back. I can feel it, and it's probably showing in the back of the cardigan. I don't care. Alrighty, so let's go through each item very quickly. We'll start with the fact that I still have the jeans on, keeping them. They're super comfortable. They're a little wide at the ankle, but not enough that would deter me from keeping them. I like the length. They're full length, which is what I asked for. Great for short booties, great for tall booties. Love them. All right, so let's start. The jeans I'm keeping, the top I'm keeping. Those are the first 2 items on here. I am also keeping this. It's a little heavier weighted than I thought it would be. It's like a sweatshirt material almost, but not as thick. I love this. I'm keeping this. Super cute. Absolutely love it. I think it'd be great for a cruise. Perfect. This top, I'm sorry, and that top is the Skies Are Blue V-neck embroidery top in a medium in gray, $38. This top is too fitted, which stinks because I really like it. I mean, I would have wanted an extra large in this because I like my tops blousy. I do not like fitted. I have never, even when I was a size 2, liked fitted. So there you go. It's just not my thing. She did size up in it for me to a large, which was necessary. But it's really a shame because I really think it's cute, but it just doesn't suit me with the fitted style. So there you go. Losing weight and all, doesn't matter. Yep, I'm down 7 pounds. Okay, this one. You guys, I cannot wrap my head around the plaid. I think I need a blue, like a blue colored plaid. No burgundies, no browns. I need like blue, and actually I don't need it at all. I don't think the plaid trend is for me. But if you are looking for a stretchy, lightweight, comfortable plaid, this is really soft too. It's not heavy. So for those of us who live in warmer winter climates, this is actually ideal. It's not hot. It's not that thick, heavy, fuzzy plaid. It's very lightweight. So there you go. Now, I've discussed, I'm at the end of my budget this month, but because of some of you wonderful people, I have some credit. I have no idea who has clicked on my link. Fashom actually doesn't even give me, like some give you like an email address, none of that. I just get a total. And I want to tell you how much I appreciate that, because when you have any kind of channel on YouTube, unboxing channels in particular, the price can add up. And yes, we make a little bit off of our channel. Some of us, those of us who are eligible for monetization, not everybody is, you know, it depends on whether you have enough in the budget to cover your unboxing expenses or not. Sometimes I do, most of the time I don't. So I really, really appreciate it. And of course I benefit. I get to keep the pieces no matter if my money from YouTube pays for them or I pay for them. Of course I get to keep the pieces. I am benefited that way, of course. So my whole point to my little ramble here is I super appreciate it when you click on my link. I really, really do. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I am behind Fashom. I think they're a great company. I'm on their website. No, they do not pay me. I've said in the last one, I need to double check. I used to receive a discount. I may still, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I just need to check and see. But I think I received the same discount you do, which is 25% if I keep 3 items. So it may be for me that I receive that 25% discount if I keep anything, 1 or 3 or 5 or whatever. So, but I'm one for transparency. I want you to know how I'm benefited by filming this video. When I first started, I was not benefited in any way, shape, or form. And Fashom reached out to me, and I am very happy to be somewhat working with the company, being on the website, that kind of thing. They do not pay me to make these videos. I pay for everything. You know, I don't ever have a styling fee. So that may be where I benefit. So that may be it. I don't recall ever seeing a styling fee. So that may be what my benefit is. So there you go. Just in all transparency, I just want you to know that. So anyway, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you super duper a lot for clicking on my link and for clicking on any of my friends' links. We really do appreciate it. All right, enough. I talk a lot, I know. So I will decide on this plaid piece. Honestly, I don't know. I will show it to my husband. If he doesn't care for it, which he's not a fan of plaid, if he doesn't care for it, then it won't be something I keep, because I won't wear it when I'm with him, and I'm always with him. So there you go. Trend or no trend. But I'm so glad they sent it to me, and I sure love the actual shirt. Maybe it's the color. Okay. So keeping the jeans, keeping the shirt, keeping this Geyser blue shirt, that's $45, $24, $38. You do the math, total that up. You get a 25% discount for all 3. That's my total. I'll put it right here on the screen. My phone is way over there on the other side of the room to do the math. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll continue to watch. I hope that you'll watch my friends, and I hope that you'll join us in our weekly vlogs and our travel vlogs, which something or the other is linked at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.